we will see fourth example in first type. In similar manner, these two examples will be solved like previous example, first, second, and third. Now we have to consider fourth example. First of all, we will write y equal to given expression as it is. Then by taking log on both sides, which expression will occur? Log y equal to, we get 3/2 into log of x square plus 2x plus 2 minus 3 into log of root x plus 3 minus x into log of cos x. By writing this equation, we can differentiate both sides with respect to x, and like previous example, we can easily solve the. Next, for example 5, similarly we can write y equal to given expression as it is. Then by taking log on both sides, which equation will occur? Log y equal to, first term will be 5 into log x plus 3 into log of tan of 4x minus 2 into log of sin 3x. Then we have to differentiate our equation with respect to x, and you will get required differentiation by using previous examples. In this way we can solve fourth and fifth example. We can do homework these two examples. Fourth and fifth examples are practice for you. Now we will see sixth example solution. In first type, first of all we will write that y equal to x raised to tan inverse of x, given expression as it is. Now here function raised to function, this type of example is here. Now we cannot use direct differentiation to solve this formula. Though this example we will see that this is very short expression, but we cannot solve this example by direct differentiation. So for solving, we have to take log on both sides. Log on both sides. The left side term will be log y, right side term will be tan inverse of x into log x. First, our expression will be in multiplication, therefore we get tan inverse of x into log x. Now we can easily differentiate our equation with respect to x. The left side term will be, as usual manner, 1 by y di by dx equal to solve right side differentiation, we have to use product formula, means first function as it is into d by dx of second function plus second function log x as it is d by dx of tan inverse of x. Now left side term as it is 1 by y dy by dx equal to first term tan inverse of x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 divided by x plus log x as it is. What is derivative of tan inverse of x? Derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x. Now we have to find here value of dy by dx, so that we have to multiply our equation by y on both sides to get y into tan inverse of x divided by x plus log x divided by. Now by substituting value of y, get our final answer. Value of y is x raised to tan inverse of x into, we get square bracket expression as it is, tan inverse of x divided by x plus log x divided by 1 plus x square. This is required derivative of y with respect to x, means differentiation of x raised to tan inverse of x. Now our second example is sin x raised to x This is also example of type function raised to function. To solve function raised to function example, first of all we have to write that y equal to sin x raised to x. Again this example is also cannot solve by direct differentiation. We have to take log on both sides. Then we get log y equal to power will be in multiplication x log of sin x. Now we can differentiate. The equation with respect to x. Then we get 1 by y dy by dx derivative of log y. To differentiate this right side, we have to use product formula. First function as it is d by dx of log of sin x plus log of sin x as it is d by dx of x. Now dy by dx equal to, we have multiplied this equation on both sides by y and we differentiate also. Then we get y into bracket square bracket x into this derivative of log of sin x. Derivative of log of sin x is 1 divided by sin x into d by dx of sin x. d by dx of sin x plus log of sin x as it is. And derivative of x is 1. Now write y into in bracket derivative of sin x is cos x, and so here we get x into cos x divided by sin x plus log of sin x as it is. Now we will substitute value of y. What is value of y? Y equal to sin x raised to x, and again in square bracket we can simplify expression. Cos x divided by sin x means cot x. Here we get x into cot x plus log of sin x. This is the required differentiation of given expression. Our last example in first type is sin of x raised to x. What is difference between 7th example and 8th example? Here function raised to function is in 7th type, but in 8th type this is not of type function raised to function. Function raised to function is here, but function raised to function is in angle. Therefore we cannot direct take log of this expression, but we can differentiate this expression with respect to x. First of all we will differentiate y with respect to x, then we get dy by dx. First of all we will use the formula sin of f of x. What is derivative of sin of f of x? Which is cos of f of x into again derivative of f of x means d by dx of x raised to x. We will write this equation as equation number 1. Now to find derivative of x raised to x, this cannot be differentiated directly because this is of type function raised to function. To solve this we have to take log and then we have to differentiate. So that we will now substitute u equal to x raised to x to take log. Therefore we will take log on both sides. Then we get log u equal to x into log x. Now what is derivative of above expression with respect to x? After differentiating above expression with respect to x, we get 1 by u like log y, we have to differentiate 1 by u into du by dx equal to, again we have to use product formula here. First function as it is, the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Then second function log x as it is, and derivative of x is du by dx. Multiply on both sides by u. X will be get cancelled, means first term will be 1, the second term will be log x. And by substituting value of u, we will get here derivative of u means substituting value of u, x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. This is derivative of u with respect to x, means this is derivative of x raised to x with respect to x. It means x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. This is derivative of x raised to x. Therefore, from equation 1, we get required derivative of y. This is derivative of u. We get required derivative of y with respect to x as cos of x raised to x. Cos of x raised to x into derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x between bracket 1 plus log x. Required derivative of y with respect to x means solution of 8th example.